So almost everyone here in Malaysia loves masak lemak, right? Ikan masak lemak, sotong masak lemak, all sorts of masak lemak. The direct translation is cooked in fat. So what sort of fat? Coconut milk. Today, let's make ikan masak lemak, a protein cooked with coconut milk and turmeric and chilies. Now, what if I told you I made this super rich, decadent dish without using any coconut milk, so you don't have to worry about the calories? First off, what we're going to do, we're going to start off with our aromatics. A nice stump of fresh turmeric. This goes into the blender. 4 cloves of garlic, about 5 to 6 shallots, lemongrass, chilies. Now, because we're swapping out coconut milk, okay, so I need to find something that can replace that richness in the dish. So we're going in with about 50 grams of cashew nuts. Water, enough to blend. To give that coconut flavor or the coconut aroma, I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. The blended ingredient goes in. We're not really going to fry up the blended ingredient. We just want to introduce them to a little bit of the oil and the heat just to wake that aromatics up. Alright, so now once you can smell the beautiful fragrance, now we're going in with water. Once your water goes in, bring it up to a boil and let it simmer for about 5-10 minutes to allow all those flavors to marry together. Right now we go in with about a teaspoon of tamarind paste. Seasoned with some fish sauce, a little bit of sugar, and a little bit of chicken stock. Some nice lime leaf. So lime leaf goes in, and now fish. I'm using here a beautiful red snapper. I will be adding in some Greek yogurt. Now this will give you that richness. So we're going in with about 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Now we're going in with about 5 to 6 numbers of cherry tomatoes, salt. So we get the richness and the consistency from the flavor that resembles coconut milk from the coconut oil and the richness from both the cashew nuts and the yogurt. All right, now let's cover this up and allow it to simmer until the fish is cooked. And then we're ready to serve. It's that simple. All right, there we go, lift it up. Beautiful, the fish nice and cooked. Remove the fishes first. And ladies and gentlemen, there you go, a healthy version of Ikan Masak Lemak. Oh, you know what? It does smell spicy. I've not even tasted this dish, and just cooking it, all that fumes that I've been smelling is just making my nose water. Fantastic. Is that balance between the richness, the acidity from the tamarind, as long as there's some acid element in it. So you've got richness, you've got the acid, you've got the spiciness, and of course the savoriness to sort of just bring everything together. I hope you've learned something from this episode. If you've enjoyed it, let me know in the comment section down below. If you think it's helped you, try out this recipe. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe, all right? I'll see you guys next week. Ciao.